So today I'll be showing you how to reset all the camera settings on your Pixel 10 or Pixel 10 Pro. So it's very simple. Just simply swipe up and go to settings. We just go back to the main settings page. So from the main settings page, you want to go to apps. Tap on that and then tap on see all apps. And then you're looking for the camera applications. So just go to the C section, tap on camera. That opens up the camera app. So here, what you want to do is tap on storage and cache. And sorry. So once you go to storage and cache, you want to first of all clear cache. Now, once you clear the cache, you can move one step back and then temporarily disable the application. So confirm you want to disable the app. Give it maybe 10 to 15 seconds, and then you can re-enable that app. And that's going to have cleared all the settings you had put. Okay. Thanks for watching and good luck.